lucky day magically came. What lucky day, you ask? Well, talking about the season tickets. So, never got any tracking for these bad boys or anything like that, but earlier today, walked outside to find them on my doorstep. So, as I mentioned, I'm a first-time season ticket holder, really excited, jumping into the new season. Want to see what the whole experience is like, I guess, compared to the StubHub experience, which I'm used to. First step, I guess, was getting season tickets for the upcoming 2018-2019 Anaheim Ducks campaign. And let's see what comes along with it. What's up, guys? So, checking back in with you. It's your boy Brandon with the Anaheim Ducks season ticket package. It just arrived yesterday. I've been excited to see what's in here. I've been a strictly mobile ticket buyer for probably the last 7 years, so pretty pumped to have a chance to be a season ticket holder. I love the Ducks. I have since '96 in Korea and the boys. But let's dive into it. I wanted to see what came with it and kind of, I don't know, what the season ticket holder experience is all about versus the standard experience, which I guess I was used to. So let's see what we got. First in here, they gave us a nice little scarf here representing the new season, 25th anniversary, by the way, for the Ducks. They created a new, I guess, club, you could call it, the Orange Alliance here, which they got a call out to here on the back of the scarf. It's kind of like the season ticket holder club, so pretty cool idea. I think you can build points based on activities you do throughout the year and all that good stuff. They also included a couple pins, 25th anniversary pins. They look kind of like that. Pretty sweet, to be honest with you. I was giving a presentation at work the other day, and I was wearing a suit, and I thought about throwing one of these on because it matched pretty well, but ended up not doing it. But I mean, this thing's it's pretty sweet, to be honest with you. The 25th anniversary, it's got the little Ducks logo down there in the bottom corner. So definitely going to be wearing that, and me and my wife will probably find a creative way to incorporate it into what we're wearing this year. And then we get into the big stuff. So the actual season ticket booklet here, they got all the big boys up there front and center. They got Getzlaff, and as always, a call back to Anaheim's favorite son, Teemu Selanne over there in the corner. So should be pretty fun this year because his boy, Paul Kariya, and really a Ducks legend's getting retired. So one of the cool things this year that I'm excited to see, obviously, is going to be the jersey retirement and getting ready to show the little commemorative ticket. It looks like. Alright, so another thing I want to point out real quick here that I thought was pretty cool about the tickets. Again, I'm a new kind of ticket holder. I'm used to the mobile tickets or the StubHub Game Time app type experience, but now they got this ticket booklet. I'm kind of looking through it and seeing what we got, and I thought it was pretty cool how they did it here. I showed on the front how they have the majority of the players, or I'm sorry, the majority of the stars, and throwback to Selanne there over here on the end. But one of the things I want to point out is while they have players on each game, they give a special shout out here in the middle to the Paul Kariya jersey retirement night with a nice little throwback to the '03 Stanley Cup final team. Unfortunately lost to the Devils in that final, but man, Paul Kariya was major to any SoCal hockey fan growing up, especially in the '90s. And then who can forget in this title game here, I think it was, God, I can't remember what game it was that this happened when he got knocked out and came back into the game to score on a nasty slap shot. So unreal memories. Can't wait to be there to celebrate this. It's going to be a pretty amazing vibe in the Honda Center, I think. So really happy to have these tickets and really happy to be a part of this experience this year. So So to wrap things up, I'm really excited about the season. I can't wait to get down to the Honda Center. Hopefully meet a few more Duck fans down there and overall enjoy the year. I'm sure it's going to be full of some great memories, some big moments, and obviously some interesting results. Let's hope that we get into the playoffs and we have some fun from there. But can't wait to get out there. Feels awesome to have this book. This book here feels awesome to be a member of this club, and can't wait to get out there. So those are my final thoughts, and go Ducks.